Going to continue on with our factorising lessons, and this time we're going to look at some special cases. Now, so far our quadratic expressions have been made up of an x squared, a number with an x beside it, and then just a number by itself, a constant term. So an x squared term, an x term, and a constant term. Now sometimes they don't always look like this, so you have to look for a special case. Now in this time, notice that here there is no constant term, so it's just got an x squared and an x term, and in this case you only need one bracket to factorise. And so you look and you can get an x is in there, an x is in there, and so I can factor an x out. What do you multiply x by to get x squared? Is an x, plus what do you multiply x by to get 4x? I need a 4. Remember to re-expand to check. X times x is x squared, yes. X times plus 4 is plus 4x. Checked. Okay, so try these ones. Note that there is no constant, so I only need one bracket. I can pull an x out and get an x minus 8. Next one, no constant, so it's a single bracket. Pull an x out and get an x plus, and if that is the same as what the factor is, you put a 1 there. Check it out. X times x is x squared, yes. X times plus 1 is x. Check. Okay, the next ones that a special case is when they have no x term. Now these look familiar. Remember when we did the difference of two squares expanding? So if I expanded x plus 6, x minus 6, same expression with two different signs. Remember I got x squared minus 6x plus 6x minus 36. What happened to the middle term? It went out because it disappeared, and we get x squared minus 36. So when you're factorising x squared minus 36, what you want to do is to put the brackets in. Now if there's no x term, it is still a double brackets, so you can put x at the front of it, and you know the signs are different because that is a minus, and it will always be a minus in this case, otherwise you can't factorise it. And what you do is you take the square root of that number, and that, because they're the same, the square root will give you each number. So the square root of 36 is 6, and so the 6 goes in each bracket. Okay, try the next one. No x term in there, so we know it's a difference of two squares. X goes in the front of each bracket. Signs are different. Square root of 16 is 4, and so it's x plus 4, x minus 4. And the last one, x squared minus 81. No x term, two brackets because it's a difference of two squares, plus and a minus, and the square root of 81 is 9, and so we get to x plus 9, x minus 9. Now there could be a number, and if I had 4x squared minus 81, if there's a number in front of the x squared, take the square root of that one as well, and so you would have 2x plus 9, 2x minus 9, and that's just one step harder if there's a number in front of the x squared.